But a lot was made out of it. People said your house is unlucky. People said you've deliberately decided to move out of it. Any truth to it? A, B, people said that Rani Mukherjee's career will not go anywhere from here. How do you react to that?
No, I think I like these the kind of rumors being floated around me, because at least it keeps me in the in the loop. Because I don't have a PR, I don't do my own publicity, I don't talk to any media people and ask them to do any interviews for me, because I'm not a very interview kind of a person. So when the rumors go on, I just kind of laugh at it, because I know I feel bad for them, because they're not in touch with me, so they don't know what's going on in my life. So I don't blame them. So they need to come up with certain stories which they feel are so untrue that I might just come out of my house and kind of give a reaction, which I don't. But in the bargain, I think my parents get a little hurt.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, I'm the little daughter, and they don't like things being spoken about me in negative.
Dream house.
Yeah, and especially the house which I've worked so hard for, and I made it for me and my family.
So you're not moving out. You love that house.
I don't think I'll even move from that house after I get married also, because I'm too in love with that house.
Into love with that house. But when you say after I get married, that means you do plan to get married.
Of course I do. I think every girl plans to get married. I think that is kind of a thing that would like make a full circle in a girl and a man's life.
It's not something you're hankering after. That's not why you've slowed down on films.
Not at all. I can only in fact, when I get married, I think it'll be the opposite. I think I'll work even more. Because what happens with girls are that probably the full psyche of getting married makes the women work even more. And especially today's girls, today's couples, I think it's very important for both the people in a marriage to kind of be like independent, because of the way relationships are going today.
Your character seems to be modeled on Harbhajan Singh. We've heard you invited the Indian cricket team for a screening.
Yeah, in fact, I met them at a party which was thrown by Neeta and Mukesh for Sachin's book launch.
Okay.
So I met them there, and I kind of told Yuvraj and Sachin and Harbhajan that this movie that I'm doing, it's got a backdrop of cricket, and I told Sachin that you must watch it because my character is modeled around being his big fan.
Okay.
So I said, Sachin, it will be very interesting for you to see it. And Mike Stringer, who's basically the makeup artist who's basically styled my look, my Sardar look, he was given a picture of Harbhajan, because he's from London. So we had mailed him Harbhajan's picture and said that we need Rani to look like this, And the only cricketer Sardar that came to mind was Harbhajan. I think the compliment that he gave me was that I look really good as a Sikh. So
that's all. You want Harbhajan's approval for sure.
Yeah, and I think Yuvraj and he and Sachin, they showed quite an enthusiasm.
You've also worked with Shahid, who's
for the first time,
who's, at least in terms of experience, your junior within the industry. Are you impressed with what you see?
I think more than me being impressed, I think it's the audience who should be, and the people who kind of go to see my movie.
Yeah.
If they feel, and the kind of reaction I've got is very positive, people do think that I've gone on the net to check out the reactions, because you want to know what the youth thinks. Going by those reactions, I think till now it's been really positive, so I'm thankful to God that it's all worked out for the best.
And the song which is right now on the airwaves, which is topic, it's titled as Dil Bole Harippa, right?
Yeah.
Can you hum a few lines for us, like your biggest fan, your niece does?
My niece basically is really cute. She's made this title of the song and of the movie and the song really special for me, because I keep asking her that, okay, so what is Pipi's new movie's name? And she'll go like, Harippa. And she says it very cutely. And then I tell her that, can you sing the song? And she'll say, Chewing-gum hai chabija and pump hai dabija. She's been busy shooting for back-to-back films and commercials, and so went to